Hey, my name is Connor and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be giving my best case scenario price prediction for Hedera Hashgraph HBAR for this year in 2024. Let's get right into the video and let the gains be with you. So at the current moment in time, HBAR is trading for 7.4 cents with a market cap of $2.5 billion. And the reason that I wanted to make this video today was I was looking at the charts, I was scanning the market, and HBAR actually looks extremely interesting here, and things are shaping up for a huge move to the upside. Let me explain what I am seeing in the charts right now. So on the weekly time frame, we can go ahead and see that a major development is actually shaping up. This blue line is the weekly 100 simple moving average, and HBAR has been well below it the entire bear market, right? It lost that level back in April of 2022, almost 2 full years ago now. But with that being said, price has once again caught up to the moving average, and it is attempting to flip this level from resistance into support. As you can see here on the weekly time frame, HBAR has already broken out above this level, and it's now went back below it. It's once again trying to break out above the 100 weekly simple moving average. And if it does do this, which I think it will, this will lead to a higher time frame breakout, and with that most likely much higher prices than 7.4 cents right now. Now if I drop this down to the daily time frame, we can once again see that some very interesting developments are happening. Back in late October of 2023, HBAR broke out above these daily moving averages. You have the pink line, which is the 200 EMA, and the blue line, which is once again that 100 simple moving average here on the daily time frame. Back in late October, HBAR broke out above these moving averages, went on a bit of a run over here to 10 cents, and it has pulled back significantly right to the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame. This is acting as support right now, and we are also in a daily demand zone. So this is certainly the time where you want to be interested in HBAR and paying attention to it. It's looking like it is printing a bottom, or it's very close to printing a bottom right now at the current moment in time. In terms of entries, this demand zone is certainly a level where it's good to pick up HBAR for the long term here for this bull cycle. Okay, if you can get this closer to the 200 EMA at around 6.6 cents, that would most likely be the optimal entry. However, if you're just holding HBAR spot, 7.4 cents, you'll most likely be able to make some decent gains with it. Okay, so for the optimal entry, I'm going to say the bottom of this demand zone at 6.6 cents. With that being said, to further clarify this entry, we can go ahead and pull a Fibonacci price retracement from the swing high down to the swing low. And it's a bit subjective which swing low you want to use, either this one at 4.5 cents, or maybe you want to use this one at 4.56 cents. Regardless, they're very close to each other. But as you can see, HBAR is coming into this golden pocket, the 61.8% retracement, okay, of this fractal here, swing high to swing low, the most recent move, which happened in late 2023 to early 2024, peaked out January 2nd. All right, so we have had basically a 60% retracement into the golden pocket. It hasn't technically hit the level yet, which is why I'm saying if it does come back down into that 6.6 cent level, that would be your optimal entry for a move higher, especially if you want to play this one spot. It most likely will be a pretty stress-free hold, as again, I think this is at or near its bottoming for the cycle. All right, now let's get into my price prediction. A lot of people think HBAR is going to hit $1 this cycle, and I don't want to spoil your party, but I think there's a very, very slim chance of HBAR hitting that $1 level. Let me explain why right now. It's very important to understand dilution and market cap in crypto, which is why I often talk about the newer projects, which is why I say all the time the newer projects are very likely going to outperform the older ones that have already experienced a full bear market and then bull market back to another bear market cycle. All right, they've already experienced a full cycle before. They've put in a blow off top in that last cycle in 2021. And also there's a ton of dilution for proof of stake projects like HBAR, for example. It's a strong layer one. It has a lot going for it. But tokenomics matter a lot in cryptocurrency. So for HBAR, the current circulating supply is 33.6 billion coins in circulation out of a total of 50 billion. All right, now its peak market cap in 2021, we can go ahead and see here. The all-time high price is 56 cents. Happened September 15th of 2021. At that time, the market cap of HBAR was 6.9, call it $7 billion for simplicity's sake. Now, when this happened, the circulating supply of HBAR was much lower than 33.6 billion coins. All right, I'm not sure what the exact number was, but I know there's been coins coming into circulation every single day, every single week for the past 2 years since this all-time high happened. So with that being said, there is a ton of dilution. So if HBAR was to go ahead and make it back to a $7 billion market cap, where would it take the price? Well, as we can go ahead and see here, if HBAR was to make it to 22 cents, it would be at a $7.4 billion market cap. And then at 21 cents, it would be a $7.1 billion market cap. Now, how does that line up with the higher time frame charts of HBAR? We'll go ahead and take a look on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can go ahead and see that HBAR has a major supply zone. It saw a major drop off right here at that really 22 cent to 25 cent level. As you can see, the price dropped from 23 cents to the lows 85%, 84% to 3.6 cents. Okay, so this is a higher time frame supply level right here from 22 to 25 cents. And then above that, you also have another key supply zone really from 30 cents, 29.5 cents up to 35 cents. Okay, so the absolute best case scenario for HBAR in this bull cycle, in my opinion, is going to be up here at 30 cents. That is best case scenario with a very explosive altcoin season. Most likely, it will only be wicks into this supply zone. And I think the real kind of peak where most of the trading volume will happen at the peak of the cycle will be over here in this supply level. This is where you saw the major drop down in the bear market in April of 2022 from 22 cents up to around 25 cents. Okay, and again, that would be at a market cap, 22 cents, of $7.4 billion. That would be a new all-time high in market cap for HBAR. And I know there's a lot of HBAR holders out there that are probably not happy about me saying that it's only going to go to 22 cents. Right? A lot of people are hoping for $1 plus this cycle. But again, if you're after those, say, 20x gains, you're most likely much better off in newer projects that have not experienced a blow off top, that have not experienced massive inflation during the bear market, and that have untapped price levels to the upside, right? Price discovery is very hard for something like HBAR to make it above 56 cents, right? If you look at the market cap with HBAR at 56 cents, you're looking at $19 billion, okay? Is it possible? Sure it is. Is it likely? No, not at all, right? So I would definitely be on the more conservative side with a price prediction. I'm going to call it 22 cents with a possibility of 30 cents with a really explosive altcoin season. This is not to discredit the fundamentals of HBAR in any way, shape, or form. It's a very solid project, good tech, right? Has some of the strongest backers and partners in the crypto industry, some of the biggest corporations in the world, from Google, IBM, Dell, Boeing, Avery Dennison, Chainlink, right? Huge major partnerships, Swirls as well. So that's not to discredit HBAR for what it is, but the thing is, it's really important to understand dilution, market cap, and projects' price potential when they've already experienced that bull market cycle in the past, right? There's a much slimmer chance of price discovery with projects that have already put in blow off tops in the last cycle. All right, so HBAR, solid project. Again, my price prediction, 200% from current price at around 22 cents with the possibility of wicks into this 30-cent supply zone. That's my price prediction. I hope you enjoyed the video. So in this video, I spoke about my price prediction for Hedera Hashgraph and the HBAR coin for 2024, this bull market cycle. I hope that you did enjoy this video. I know most likely it's not what you guys wanted to hear, because I know there's a lot of HBAR holders out there that want to see that $1 HBAR, but there's a very, very slim chance of something like that happening. If you're after those huge gains, I'll say it again before we wrap up the video, you are much better off in the newer projects that have not yet experienced a full bull market cycle yet, because they have not experienced price discovery, which is uncharted territory, and that is where you see the parabolic movements. HBAR has already seen a blow off top in the past, and I think it's a very slim chance that it reaches that all-time high once again at 56 cents. But I would love to hear from you. What do you think about my price prediction? Am I being too pessimistic, or is it more realistic? Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Also, leave a like if you did enjoy this video. My name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.